So in our last video, we created menus in the screen, in fact in the home screen, and in this video we will continue from there. And what we will do is that we will use a package to split the home screen with a side menu screen, and the menus that we have created in the home screen right now, we will shift those menus to the side screen. So this package that we are going to use is a very famous package, which is Flutter Zoom Drawer. So let's first search for the package. We just have to type Flutter Zoom and we will reach the package. So here is the Flutter Zoom package, and this package has some examples. Okay, I don't think this one is the right package. Maybe we have to type Flutter Zoom menu. Okay, so now we have got the right package. So this Flutter Zoom Drawer package is the one we were looking for. And yes, this has some examples. So we are going to use this example, but we are going to use it in a different way than how it has been used here. Yes, so we are going to use it in a different way than how it has been used here. So let's try to integrate this example with the one we have created here, and let's see how it goes. So first thing that we have to do is that we have to install this package. So we will type get, let's copy the command from here itself, flutter pub add Flutter Zoom Drawer. Sorry, it's not get. Okay, so I think this package I have previously installed, so it's already in my dependency list. Okay, so I don't need it again. So we will again move back to the example, and so we will just import it in our application. So next thing that we have to do is that we have to use the Zoom Drawer in the build part. So we can copy things from here, and we can paste it here. So it's giving 3 errors, and let's try to fix this. So first thing that it's looking for is the Zoom Drawer controller. Okay, so we will create one So we will use the Zoom Drawer controller here, and let's save it. And now we need to Okay, now we have the dependency config also added, and now we need to define these two widgets, that is main screen and menu screen. And these are very important part of this package zoom drawer, and here is the place where we will integrate our previous app. So for the sake of simplicity and not making things complex, we will just copy the examples given here. And we will modify it. So let's remove this get view widget or class from which menu screen is extending, and let's make it stateless widget. And same thing we will do, because we are familiar with stateless widget, so let's use it instead of this get view, and let's keep things simple. Okay, now we will remove this also, because we want to see the simplest form in which this zoom package can work. Okay, so now it's not giving any error. Here we have error, so we will remove const modifier, and now there are no error or warning. And now we will run our app and see how it works or how it looks. So what I think is that it should create some simple animation effects of a menu, and that's pretty much what it should do, and that is what I expect. And once the animation effect is in place, then I will be able to integrate my previous example with this working example. Let's remove the comments because we don't need these comments now, because we are already pro to some extent, if you also think so. So in this zoom drawer example, the three things that we changed are this controller part, this menu screen, and this main screen. And this menu screen is the next thing that we are going to work on, if our example works correctly at the moment. Many times there are compilation errors or runtime errors, even when there is no error showing in the editor or the IDE that we use for development. Okay, so as expected, no media query widget ancestor found. My app widget requires a media query widget ancestor. The specific widget that could not find a media query ancestor was my app. So let's see what the new media query ancestor error means. So I think our app is already wrapped wrapped with material app. but maybe we need to go a level down, and that can fix our issue, that can fix the issue. So what we will do is that we will comment this body, and in this body we will use this zoom drawer. And we also need to move the controller. And here we will keep things like before. So here is my home page was being used. Okay, so now we will try to run our application once again and see if this fixes the issues. Yes, so now our app is working, and the drawer is also the menu is also working, but this toggle part is not working, maybe because we have not activated that part. But when we swipe from right to left, then it's working, and again when we swipe left to right, then also it's working. So I think this is the functionality I was looking for. This is working for now. So next thing that we need to do is that we need to show the menus inside the menu screen. So here we have our menu screen, and instead of showing this container and yellow color that is there in the app, we will show menus there. So for that, all we have to do so we will move this code into our menu screen. So let's copy this code, and sorry, I'm just getting mixed up with things because the code that is there is not very much in good shape. But anyway, I think for now it will work, and later on I will clean it and make things better. So this is the main screen, this is the menu screen, and let's remove this container, and I think we can keep this center, and we can just add one bracket here. Okay, so things looks better now, but this widget part is not working because we need to change the placement of this menu items also. So we will copy this menu item from here and we will use it here. So we don't need this widget widget before this menu items identifier, and we are good without it. Let's see what else is causing the error. Okay, we need to remove const from here as well. Okay, so now I think things should work. Okay, so yeah, it's working quite well. And if we swipe now, we can see that our menu is there in the side screen, and this looks pretty much what we were trying to do. And one more thing I would like to do is that when I tap on the menus, I want to just print something in the log, and that shouldn't be difficult because we already have a placeholder for that. And if we okay, I think I have to enclose it inside braces, then only it will work. Oh no, I think I have to use small p. Lots of typos. Okay, now it looks good. We can even print the position of the menu, whether the index of the menu, sorry. Okay, so it's not going to work like this, so we have to use the braces. And now if we put it here, okay, so now it looks good. Whenever we are using not just the variable but a complex type variable, like it is a object which contains properties, then we have to use braces. And when we are just using a simple variable, then we can go without braces and just the $sign. But something like complex like this needs braces, and we already discussed this exclamation mark in a previous tutorial. So let's see how it looks now. Okay, so it looks pretty much same, but if we tap on the menu, you can see that it's giving us the index of that menu. So the menu 1 has index 0, 2 has index 1, 3 has 2, and the last one has 3. So I think we were pretty much able to do what we were trying to do. We can see that a simple form of zoom drawer package, how to use it, and in the next tutorial we will use the providers to make this a real side menu, so that we can change the content of the page or make a big change whenever there is a tap on the menu. So for that we have to use providers, and in the previous tutorial we also discussed providers. So this is the reason I discussed provider before, and in the next video we are going to use it. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching this video.